I love it, man. I'm enjoying it. This is my second one, so to speak. It's very informative. I'm not really a real estate agent. My wife is, but I work in a mortgage. But all the concepts that I'm learning today, I know I can use. I already started it yesterday, actually. So it's very informative. It's great. It is great information. His story resonated to me 100,000,000%, because I was in the same boat and I'm trying to get out of that. So it's great. I can't say no more than that. All of it, actually, all of it, because everyone has different reaction or different things happen on what they've done. So taking bits and pieces for everyone's information and put it into my own is great. So I enjoyed every bit of it, all of it. There's no favorite, because they're all informative and I can all use it all. Create my own thing.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.